How to fix your iPhone not showing up on your computer. So if you're trying to connect your iPhone to your computer by a USB-C cable, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the Apple iPhone's not showing up, or it's showing up, but when you click on this, you can see that there's nothing inside of this folder. Now, the first thing you need to do is just come over to your iPhone itself and go and load up the settings. You can then scroll down and click on General, scroll down to the bottom again and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can then press Reset and click on Reset Location and Privacy. You'll then need to enter the passcode to your iPhone. Once you've done this, go and disconnect your USB-C cable and try reconnecting it into your iPhone. Now, as long as your iPhone is unlocked and it's plugged into your computer, you should see this trust message appear. Now go and click on Allow. You'll then need to enter the passcode to your iPhone. You can then head back over to your computer and you can check to see if it's now working. Now, if it's still not working, then come over to your computer and right-click on this PC. You can then click on Show More Options and click on Manage. Click on Device Manager from the left-hand side. Click on the drop-down next to Portable Devices and you should see your iPhone. Go and right-click on it, click on Update Driver, browse My Computer for drivers, and press Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now go and select this one here and click on Next. It's then going to reinstall your drivers. You can then try heading back over to the folder and you should now be able to go and enter your iPhone. If it's still not working, then grab your USB-C cable and try rotating it a 180-degree angle. Now you can do this on the end that connects your iPhone and also the end from your computer as well. And if it's still not working, you may need to go and replace your USB-C cable.